Hi everyone. Today we will continue learning about functions and support lists. Here we go. So over here you can see a long list of comments and then some uncommented stuff and more comments. So firstly, as usual, at the top is what we're going to learn today. So we're going to be learning about the append function, the remove function, and the clear function. Firstly, we'll start with append. So append adds whatever you want at the end of a list. For example, over here I've defined a list called days of the week and I've set it to Monday to Saturday. Then I've defined a variable called adding Sunday and I'm using the append function to add Sunday to the list. And this is the syntax. Then we're printing the updated list. So let's see what happens. So it's saying Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, as if Sunday was in the list already. Then we're going to take this other example. So we're going to use the append function without defining a variable and see what happens. So if I take that away and then if I take this one away, right. So over here you can see that I've not defined a variable called adding Sunday. And just if you're wondering what this gray line below it is for, it's just saying that function append doesn't return anything. And that's just saying that you don't need assignment, like you don't need to really assign a variable or define a variable to keep the syntax. So when I press remove assignment, it's just going to take adding Sunday away. But we'll keep that for now. Oops. Right, sorry about that. Now, over here you can see there's no gray line beneath this one. And that's because we don't need a variable for append function. And then I'm printing the list. So over here you can see that the list has been printed twice because I'm printing it twice. And in this one over here, it's printing Sunday as Sunday because because I've written Sunday once over here and then I'm doing it again over here. That's why this list is a little longer. Next, we should move on to the remove function. So the remove takes away whatever you want. Then if you want, you can just read how to do it. Right. So if so we don't want this part of the program distracting the next part, so I'm just going to comment it so that there's no distractions. Yeah. Right. Now I'm going to uncomment this one and this one. So over here again you can see that I've defined a variable called removing Saturday. Same thing, you don't really need a variable for this function either, but I just wanted to show to make it more clear. Then when I run this, so basically it's just going to remove Saturday from the list. So oops, that was a wrong button pressed. Right. So it's saying none. And that's because I'm printing removing Saturday instead of the list name. So all I have to do is change this to the variable days of the week and it should be fine. Right. So here you can see that I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And it's ending at weekdays because I've commented the Sunday part and then I'm removing Saturday. And then we're going to check out this one. So I'm going to take this one away and that one away. Right. So here you can see that again I've got no variable here. So there's no variable, I'm just writing the syntax and trying to remove Saturday. Now just so that this doesn't get much confusing and there's no issues, that's why I'm just going to comment this over here. Right. So that we can check it properly. Now if I run this, it's doing the exact same thing. So that just says that you don't need to define a variable for remove function either. Now lastly, we're going to move to the clear function. So the rules of the clear function, it clears or empties a list. And then there's the rules, then there are more things to the clear function that you can read quickly. Alright, now I'm just going to uncomment that and that and that. And then this one. Right. And just so that you understand more about the clear function, I'm going to uncomment everything above it too. So that you can kind of get the point of the clear function. And it won't distract any, so it won't cause any issues either. Right. Now, over here, yeah, clear. So I'm defining a variable called clearing days and using it to clear, and using the clear function to erase everything inside the list. So basically, if I, hold on, I'll just comment this part up because we'll check that out separately. Now, if I run this, it's throwing an error. And that's because I'm removing Saturday, and Saturday is not in the list anymore, so, and I'm trying to remove everything in the list, so it's kind of throwing an error for that. That's why I think we should kind of take this remove thing away. We can stick with the append one. Right, okay. So here we have got append. No. Don't mind the print statements that will come over there. So now if I run it, it's going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Saturday, Sunday. And then it's saying Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Sunday. Now you must be getting confused why it's saying none at the bottom. And again, that's because I'm trying to print clearing days instead of the list. If I do days of the week, and now run it, it has everything over here. But now there's just an empty list because we have cleared everything. Now we can try this one. So we can try this one without a variable again. I'll just take this up. Right. Now, over here you can see that I'm using the clear function without a variable and I'm printing the list. Now when I run this, it's going to do the same thing. Now the reason why I showed you everything with the variable and without the variable is because it just gives you an idea on how to code more and write less. And you must have heard that expression somewhere, so just wanted to give you an idea on that one. There are also functions like del and pop, which deletes the list items based on index, but we'll save them for later. Bye for now!